من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Honorable Principal, respected teachers, and my dear friends, Alaikum. Today my speech topic is Pakistan Resolution Day. Pakistan Resolution Day. Sir, Pakistan Resolution Day is observed on 23rd March every year. It is an important day in the history of Pakistan. Sir, because Muslims of India demanded a separate homeland for themselves through a resolution called Lahore Resolution or Pakistan Resolution. This year we also celebrate Pakistanday with traditional zeal and fervor and renewed a pledge to make new country strong, progressive and prosperous Islamic welfare state. All friends, the day dawned with 31 guns salute in federal capital. Special prayers were offered in all mosques. It was a public holiday. National flags were hoisted on all public newspapers, published special supplement featuring articles highlighting the importance of Pakistanday. Sir, in the end I would like to urge all Pakistanis to remember the spirit, the message of 23rd March when our 1940, when our forefathers vowed to achieve Pakistan, a separate country for Muslims. Now it becomes our responsibility to be united, serve and save Pakistan. Thanks a lot, Honorable Principal. Jazakallah. Pakistan